Hello, welcome to Mentor Idea Friends. Here you will find amazing free courses, jobs and internship videos. So guys, in today's video I am going to give you bestseller courses, some of the long duration courses which are highly recommendable from a 4.3 ratings with a 45 hours content, some of the bestseller courses on Java, C++ and digital marketing courses, coding courses. So like this, if you like this stuffs, and you can subscribe to my channel and join the Telegram channel where I put all the courses and jobs and internship and all the main tips and tricks. So guys, you can see here, so all the things are available for you in this video, and let's begin the video. Fundamental questions on robotics. This is first course, 4.9 hours video, 4 practice tests will be there, and you will get it absolutely free for 2 days, and after 2 days it will be paid. So next course which you are going to get is reverse engineering and malware analysis intermediate level course is there, 5.0 rating, 5.5 hours video content, 21 hours is left to enroll in this course. You can enroll it anytime. Next course which is available for you is SEO Training Masterclass 2021 Beginner SEO course to Advanced SEO. So bestseller course again, and 16 hours video content is there. Next course is of Front End Web Development Ultimate Course 2021 4.3 rating, 98 hours video content you are going to get. See here, all the things will be discussed with you. So this is a great course if you want to start for a web development and front end. So guys, again the next course is of Python for beginners. This is again for beginners level course, and 4.1 rating, 5 hours video content. You will be basics, you will taught the basics of the Python. So next course which is important for you is my Python and machine learning in financial analysis. So 4.3 rating and 20 hours video content, which is very good resources. So it is all discussed with you for free. 2 days time is left to enroll in this course. You can enroll it for free if you want. If you want it for free, you can enroll in any time. So guys, if you want like these courses, you can join here Udemy, Udacity and Udinix courses channel, and you can do it all the free stuffs. You can serve all the free stuffs. So guys, next course which you are going to get is full stack mobile application development master class. This is 10 hours video content. Again a great course, 3.9 hours video, 3.9 rating is there. For 2 days it's free. Rigging a character with Duke Bessel and After Effects, 4.1 rating. It's of 4.5 hours video content you are going to get. So next course which is available for you is HTML and CSS certification course for beginners, 4.3 rating, 4 hours video content. Next course is of Learn Bootstrap for beginners, 4.3 rating, 3 hours video content. Next course is Learn JavaScript for beginners, 4.3 rating and 1.5 hours video content is available for you. Again, the next course which is available for you is free of cost and PHP and MySQL certification course for beginners. Again, if it's a beginner level course, 4.3 rating, 3.5 hours video content. Next courses which is available for you is CSS and JavaScript certification course for beginners, 4.3 rating, 3 hours video content you are going to get, and this is absolutely free for a day. If you enroll into in a day, it will be free of cost. Otherwise, you have to pay it for this course. Learn CSS for beginners, 4.2 rating, 2 hours video content is there. Next course is Learn MySQL for beginners, 4.5 rating, 1.5 hours video content. Next course which is absolutely free of cost you are going to get is jQuery course, and this is 4.4 rating, 1.5 hours video content. Again, a next course, a t-shirt design masterclass in Photoshop. Sell your t-shirt, hot and new course, and 4.7 ratings, 4 hours video content is there too for you. Again, a 2 days free for this course, and 3.5 hours video content is there. And web development course which is HTML5 course, 4.3 rating, 2 hours 2 days time is there to enroll. Next course which you can get is absolutely free of cost. That is CSS course, basics to advanced in front end development, 4.4 rating, 5 hours video content. Adyodhya Digital University is quite a good university. You can access it anytime. So next course which is available for you is JavaScript basics to advanced, step by step, 4.3 rating, 10 hours video content is there. Next course which is absolutely free of cost, software testing course for absolute beginners, for bestseller course, and 12 hours video content you are going to get. Again, a next course which you are going to get it for free is 45 hours video content, very lengthy course, and you can just see the rating is also very good. So guys, thousands of students have rated it 4.3. It means that this course is very good and you can do it. So guys, this course you are going to get it for free. Next course which you are going to get it for free is of Udacity platform, that is Android basics user interface. 2 weeks course, beginner level courses for free. Next course which is available from Udemy platform, Intel Edge AI fundamentals with OpenVINO. So guys, 1 month content, intermediate level content you are going to get. Next course is in synchronous JavaScript request. So guys, this course is also free of cost. You are going to get intermediate level 3 weeks course. And next courses of learn to build an Auth0 app using Angular 2. This is for validation of in Angular system. So guys, this course is absolutely free of cost. 1 hour video content you are going to get. Next course which is available from Udacity, building high conversion web forms. This is absolutely free. Many times I've already told in my YouTube videos. So guys, if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe and you can join the Telegram channel. So guys, you can get absolutely free of cost all these courses on the daily basis. Approximately 2 weeks time is there. Intermediate level form is courses this, and you will get it for free. Next course which you are going to get it for free is complete TypeScript programming guide for web developers. So 4.2 ratings and 4 hours video content is there. Next course you are going to get is JavaScript design patterns. So guys, this course is absolutely free of cost, and 6 fees course, advanced level course is this, and free of cost you are going to get. So again, next course is of Java programming basics course, and this is absolutely free of cost you are going to get. This is again for a 6 weeks free and beginner level course. So this is again a very good course. Next course you are going to get it for free, and advanced Android app development. This is by Google, and this course is designed by Google. 6 weeks course is this, and advanced level course you can get it. Same way the Udacity course is JavaScript oriented, object oriented JavaScript course. This is again an intermediate level course, 3 weeks course. It is free of cost. Again, next course is of Google Analytics GA4 GTM, how to improve your marketing skills, and 2 hours video content you are going to get. This is for 4.6 rating. It will be there. 2 days time will be there to enroll in this course. Afterward it will be costing you. So guys, these are some of the courses which are the bestseller courses which I have brought it for you. And if you want to join my channel, you can join here in Udemy, Udacity, Udinix courses free of cost. The link is in the description box. Plus you can join here in a YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly share the video if you like the content. Thank you.